Just in case you weren't able to make it to my open house today at 1264 Wellington Terrace in Maitland, Florida, I wanted to share this gorgeous property with you. This beautiful, peaceful neighborhood, storybook, grand entrance. This is a just over 4,000 square foot custom built home on a spring-fed ski lake with a boat dock. Perfect for entertaining. I'm gonna bring you inside. Look at this gorgeous formal entry. The property has just been repainted with a fresh update to the kitchen. This is the library. Nice high ceilings, beautiful built-ins, and then you have a nice big open concept living space. And then what this house really is about, this gorgeous lake. So, give you a little look. Also has a swimming pool and spa. And take you to see this new updated kitchen. The property sellers have chosen this beautiful on-trend slate gray kitchen. Look at all this cabinet space. Can you imagine having a party here, entertaining? Just beautiful. And you've got this huge breakfast nook overlooking the lake. Another little bonus, a custom art studio. This huge, high ceiling, formal living room. And I'm going to take you on upstairs to the children's quarters. This house has the master suite on the first floor and 4 bedrooms upstairs for the children. So we have a laundry here. Beautiful bedrooms. All of them are spacious. All have walk-in closet. A shared bathroom here. There's actually 2 bathrooms upstairs. This bedroom, a little smaller. This one has the access to this huge, beautiful outlook patio. And this is the last of the bedrooms up. This one's a little bit bigger with this huge ceilings and built-ins. I'll take you back down the formal staircase and take you to the master suite, which is on the first floor, which I love. So here's our master suite. And again, these huge picture windows that take in all this Florida sun. Master bath has a jacuzzi tub, 2 heads in the shower. The vanities have been updated. And of course, his and hers custom closets. So, give us a call if you want to come and see this beautiful house and take a private tour. You can call either Susie Mason Barnes or Chrissy Gabriel at 407-256-9892. This beautiful house is offered at $890,000. and we'd love to share it with you.